Hello, Wings! What's up? How are you? I'm your Avni. You might have read my Words Felt blog. I just write so many random pieces of words. Some your words, some my words. A combination of all of our hearts filled in it, isn't it? Hence, I call you, you're my wings, my feathers, so that my thoughts will fly as high as I see. So that's my bio. All these days I used to write and used to read. That used to be somewhat a kind of a dry thing. So this time I made an effort so that why don't you listen to my voice? In fact, it would be more of a virtual connection between us, isn't it? Yo, time to do one more read through of my pieces of words. I just had a random thought in my head today. Thought that my smile, your smile, or anybody's generally smile, has so many meanings, so many words in it. It is capable of speaking, doesn't it? Just think. There are so many expressions that it has, there's so many languages that it communicates with, there are so many feelings that it shares, and many things it does without even the voice from your throat, without even the expressions from your eyes. It's capable of expressing everything. And how is it? Smile is very a complicated yet simple, a way of a gesture, I can say, a way of everything. So, this is the story or a poem, I can say, in both. It can be fit in both, so it's okay. चलो अब हम हिंदी में शिफ्ट भी होते हैं और इंग्लिश में भी आते हैं. वी विल बी सेलिंग टू बोट्स, एक में हिंदी एक में इंग्लिश. मेरा हिंदी थोड़ी टूटी पुटी है, सो जस्ट एडजस्ट. So yeah, what is it now? सुबह 7 सवेरे, breeze so cool, सोचा कि let me just splash words now. आज कुछ लिखने का मन है. Not sure why though. Just I smiled, looked in the mirror. Morning smiley face with a messy hair is a real terror. किसी को डराने के लिए यूजफुल चीज जरूर है. Now, कभी अपनी हंसी को समझकर देखिए. पहेली की बाप लगता है वो. सबको धोखा दे सकता है आपकी होशियार हंसी. इसलिए मैंने भी गौर से सोचा. So here is my splash of words. कभी हंसी मासूमियत की निशान है तो कभी हंसी समझदारी की निशान है. कभी हंसी किसी डर की निशान है तो कभी हंसी किसी की याद में. कहने को तो हंसी सिर्फ एक जरिया है. जरिया है दिल की बात कहने को. जरिया है दिल की राज छुपाने को. जरिया है दिल की आवाज़ सुनाने को. जरिया है दिल की आवाज़ मिटाने को भी. ये एक अनोखी अनकही आवाज़ है. आँखों की ज़ुबान है. दिल की भाषा भी है. अपनी पहचान भी है. अगर मेरी सोच सही है तो आपकी हंसी आपकी अनकही अनसुनी शख्सियत भी है, जो आपके साथ है और साथ नहीं, जो आपकी खूबसूरत ताकत है, आपकी हंसी। Kudos to your smile wings. Keep smiling. Thank you. We'll come back again with another bunch of splash of my words. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. Have a nice day.